As the world evolves at an unprecedented pace, so do our expectations of education. In this video, we explore the exciting possibilities of artificial intelligence in education and the ways it is revolutionizing the classroom experience. Imagine a world where personalized learning is the norm. A world where every student has access to a virtual tutor who knows their strengths, weaknesses, and individual learning styles. This is the world that AI is bringing to education. AI-powered learning is designed to make the classroom experience more engaging, interactive, and dynamic. By analyzing data on student performance, AI can identify areas where students struggle and provide personalized guidance to help them improve. This type of individualized learning is not only more effective but also more efficient. It allows students to learn at their own pace and frees up teachers' time to focus on what they do best, creating meaningful learning experiences. But AI in education goes beyond just personalized learning. It can also help identify students who are at risk of dropping out and provide them with the necessary support to succeed. It can assist teachers in grading assignments, providing feedback, and identifying areas for improvement. AI can even play a role in curriculum development. By analyzing data on student performance, AI can identify areas where the curriculum is falling short and suggest improvements to better meet student needs. Of course, there are concerns about the impact of AI in education. Some worry that it will replace teachers altogether, but this is unlikely. While AI can certainly assist teachers in many ways, it cannot replace the human connection and personalized attention that teachers provide. There are also concerns about data privacy and security. It is important that we ensure that students' data is protected and that AI is used ethically and responsibly. Despite these concerns, the future of AI in education is incredibly exciting. It has the potential to transform the classroom experience and create a more equitable, personalized, and effective education system. The possibilities are endless, and we are only just beginning to scratch the surface of what is possible. So, as we look to the future, let us embrace the possibilities of AI in education and work together to create a world where every student has access to the personalized, engaging, and effective education they deserve.